welcome to the lab. We have desks here that are adjustable height. The first annotation of the human genome. We have FDM and laser 3D printers. Beautiful robots here. This is the little boy, and then the big one where it's able to move as well as bend. An electronics workbench. Here's a 3D printed microscope with a Raspberry Pi controlling that 3D printed microscope, something we're going to do for high schools and grade schools. Little boy robots, microscopes, electronic workbench for experiments, general tools here. And we have the virtual reality workstation here. This allows you to feel forces coming back. Essentially a 3D vision. The flight simulator here, that's full flight sim. And there's also a driving sim as well. We have shuffleboard, ping pong. Newest edition, it's a scanning electron microscope we got from the University of Michigan. They were no longer using it, so we refurbished it. And we're getting ready to put it into this lab here. This is the brand new lab. We just got it set up. This is the high-end equipment here. We have a atomic force microscopy set. This is all hovering here, so if you hit it, it's actually hovering on the ground. It can measure things down to 10 nanometers. We have a microplate reader. This is for fluorescence, reading fluorescence in micro well plates. A board here for remote access. We have two processing stations that talk to this. This is a confocal microscope with a fluorescence laser stack here. This is a live well imaging plate. So this system here can both incubate live cells as they're being imaged over here. And then this here is a drug-eluting system, so you can actually inject into the tissue at different times different drugs to stimulate. And then we also have a cell cut system on the back here, MMI cell cut, that allows you to arm a laser that's sitting on the back here and cut tissue out of the cells, individual single cells, extract. There's a little robot here that goes and picks up the individual cells on this little head here and allows you to take a single nucleus, stick it in here, and then send it over to be sequenced. So you can actually see what's going on inside the cell nucleus. This here is a 3D plasma cutting system. It's actually just being built here, but it'll allow you to do X and Y, and then actually Z here to control and cut metal. The big cabinet with a bunch of lab supplies in it. And if we come in here, this is a nice poster showing all the different biomolecules that we were interested in studying. We have a simulation rack here so that we can configure up a whole data center and simulate a whole bunch of servers. We have a big lathe here. This is a big lathe. Lots more spaces for people to work with adjustable height desks. And then we have the lobby here. All right, so we have a simulation clinic here where we can actually simulate what tech would be in a clinic. This is actually my company, MIE. This is a board that shows everywhere in the world that a clinic is using my medical record system. And this is a nice map of everyone that works at MIE and where they're at. We have a messy lab here with lots of tools for actually robot construction for FIRST Robotics. We have an open area here for larger meetings and desks as well. And then the large conference room where we can meet here with a beautiful view of downtown and all the adjustable height desks in here for meetings.